You have developed a cloud function that needs to interact with various Google Cloud services. To maintain security through the principle of least privilege, how should you configure this? Option A, set up a service account with editor permissions for the resources and grant the deployer permission to retrieve the access token. Option B, set up a service account with a custom IAM role for the resources and grant the deployer permission to retrieve the access token. Option C, set up a service account with editor permissions for the resources and grant the deployer permission to act as the service account. Option D, set up a service account with a custom IAM role for the resources and grant the deployer permission to act as the service account.
This question focuses on managing identities and permissions in the cloud. The principle of least privilege is a core security concept, meaning you should only grant the bare minimum access required for a process to function. In the context of cloud functions, you must define the identity the code runs as, and also define the permissions required by the person or process deploying that code. Consider how custom roles compared to predefined roles impact your security posture, and what specific IAM permission is required to impersonate a service account.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. To adhere to the principle of least privilege, we must avoid broad, predefined roles like editor. Instead, creating a custom IAM role allows us to assign only the specific permissions the function needs. When deploying a cloud function using a dedicated service account, the person or service deploying it must be authorized to impersonate that identity. This is achieved by granting the specific role that allows a user to act as that service account.
Explain which answer is correct and why. Options A and C are incorrect because the editor role is far too broad, granting excessive power that violates security best practices. Regarding options A and B, they are incorrect because the permission needed for deployment is the ability to act as the service account, not simply the ability to retrieve an access token. Choosing the right role and the correct IAM permission is essential for secure cloud deployment.